Hello everyone, this is Tanmay. Welcome back to my channel, Way of Learning German. So in today's video, we are going to solve a worksheet which I have got for you all. So it is not so tough, it's not so easy. It is beginner's level. So without any further ado, let's get started. So we are going to solve the first one out here. Ersten Woche. Okay, so this is the worksheet. Let us see how we have to fill up this worksheet. They have given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and we are supposed to do the needful. First up, we have Nummern. Was ist die Zahl of Deutsch oder auf English? They're asking, what is the number in German or in English? Next up, we have Klassenzimmer. Basically classroom. So here they have displayed pictures of things in a classroom. We have to write it in German. Third column we have pronomen, which is ersten sie die richtige Pronomen. What are pronomen? Exactly, they are the personal pronouns. Ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie. So we have to fill it correctly. Next up, we have sein und heißen, this column. Füllen Sie die richtige Form des Verb ein. So we have to fill in the blank with either sein conjugation or heißen conjugation. That's so easy, right? Next, antworten. It means answer. Geben Sie eine Antwort auf die Frage. So give an answer for the given question. Got it? So let's see. First up, we have first question. 24. Which number is it? 24. Okay, let me remind you. How do we write it in German? How is the numbering done? Exactly, from the last, from the right side, right? So 20 is how much? 20. Good. Plus 5. So the answer would be 25. Exactly. Next, what is this object you can see here? You must have studied. It is stool, isn't it? Next, wie heißt der Mann? They have underlined der Mann. Okay, what is der Mann? It's a man. The question says, wie heißt der Mann? What is the name of that man? So man is he, right? What is he in German? Er. Next, sein und heißen. Now fill it up with. Okay, here it can have double answers. It can either have ich heiße Nancy or ich bin Nancy, right? Exactly. Next, wie heißt du? Now we have to give the answer in full sentence. Wie heißt du? I'll say ich heiße Tanmay. Got it? Yes. Now let us proceed. Okay. So what do we call 16 in English? I mean in German? Try to recall. Exactly. 16. Now, here we can look at a picture of a blackboard, isn't it? What is blackboard in German? I guess this is new, so I'll help. Die Tafel is blackboard. Okay, now you might wonder what is chalk piece in German, isn't it? So it is die Kreide. Die Kreide. Okay. Next, die Uhr ist klein. Okay, translate this sentence into English. Die Uhr ist klein. Die Uhr means clock. The clock is small. So they have already given it as die. So it would be, what is the personal pronoun? It is she. So it is sie. Got it? Now, Fill in this blank with either Heisen or sein conjugation. Du dash sehr schön. Du bist sehr schön. Next, wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? What would you reply? Think of a complete sentence. Let's see. Exactly. Ich bin Jahre alt. Exactly. Wie alt bist du? Ich bin 14 Jahre alt, 13 Jahre alt, etc. Next, we have one more question. 94. What is 94 in German? 94, which means 40 and upright 9. 9 und 40. 49. Okay, now we can see it kind of looks like a suitcase. So what is suitcase in German? Koffer. It is der Koffer. Now, Jim und ich sind Engländer. We're talking about two people over here, Jim und ich. So it comes under we, isn't it? In English, we. So in German, it will be wir. Wir dash Studentin hier. Wir sind Studentin hier. We are students here. Okay, one more question. Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Ich komme aus Indien. Okay. Okay. Next one. We have two more. Okay. 1731. First 1000. Okay. 700. 700. Okay. 31. 31 is 31. So they mean to say 1731. Okay, and this the picture you can see is of a dustbin. So what is dustbin in German? It is die Mülltonne. And it has a umlaut on you. Well, give me a second. I will add the umlaut. Okay. It has umlaut on you. Oh my goodness. Line. Okay. It has umlaut on you. Next. Woher kommen Susanna und Maria? Where are these two kids from? So, what is the pronoun? They, right? That in German would be sie, du. It's okay if you write just sie. Du is not really necessary, but just for explaining, I've written. Okay, now let's recall what are the three z's we have. Let me write it here. This is the first z, which is she. Second z is for they. Third z, capital Z, right? Capital Z or the small z. Okay. It is for formal. Okay. Next. Wie dash dein Vater? Wie heißen dein Vater? Was ist deine Telefonnummer? What does that mean? What is your telephone number or phone number? You would say, meine Telefonnummer ist so and so. Okay. That way. Now, last one, you can take it as homework and do put your answers in comment section. Let us see. So, okay, write in German the number name of 268. And okay, let me help you with this one. It is a socket, right? So in German, we call it die Steckdose. Die Steckdose, okay? And then du und dein Bruder. What is the pronoun? Okay, you can write it down. Dash ihr American. Fill in with either Heisen or sein conjugation. And welche Farbe hat deine Haare? What is Farbe? It means color. What color is your hair? Okay. So, okay, that's all for today.